Guys, I got a light out, so you're gonna pull this, which I already did. Just showing you where it's at in your car. CJ, go turn my light on real quick. This light's on, this light's working. Those need a little fixing. This light's working. This light's out. So I gotta fix this one because I got pulled over twice on New Year's. So the way I do it is the bulb's right here. You go right here looking for it. It's right there. It turns, so you turn it. And I'll take it out. Push, pull. So it's in there like that. You'll push this part, pull. Push this in, pull. So we're gonna go get this. We're gonna go get this one. It looks just like this. So again, 11H, 12 volt, 55 watt. So we're gonna grab this one, 42 bucks. AutoZone. We're gonna put it in. This piece needs to be on this side. Lock it in place. We're gonna put it in here. And we're gonna start off with it sideways. Now push down. It's locked. Locked in place. Turn the light on. There we go. Now we got them going again. I won't get pulled over. If you like the video, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.